This is a very difficult question to answer. I think at the way biotechnology is today, what we know of it today, and basically if you look at the products biotechnology has offered us today, there's very little. And here maybe I need to actually separate this thing, biotechnology and transgenic plants. Let's say on the transgenic plant side, we have yet to see any yield improvement. And there's been many studies just came out which show that in the food crop side, not talking about cotton, but in the food crops, there's actually no yield increase, intrinsic yield increase. So if people talk about increasing the yield potential of crops, transgenic plants have done nothing yet, all 20 years of research. So is something coming, something in the pipeline? There may be, but so far we can't say. And if you look at the herbicide-tolerant crops and the insect-resistant crops, these are, to me, only sort of treatments of symptoms which we won't need if we actually deal with the system. Because having too many weeds in your field or insects show that you are just a bad manager of your environment. And so again, instead of actually dealing with the cause of these problems, we just do some symptom treatment, and which means that we're going to have to do it all the time, which means more costs for the consumers, more costs for the environment. So we're not really solving problems. And I think that we have to do a rethink in terms of transgenic crops. What they do really do? What do they really bring to society? Is anything in there? So to me, research should go on at university level. But I think that maybe brings something in 20, 50 years, I don't know. Right now, what we need is to implement known knowledge with which we can already improve agriculture in a very sustainable manner. That would be the better way of using funding.